Honk for Jesus. Save Your Soul is a scabrous and unpleasant dissection of the dark side of prosperity theology. Review by Jonathan W. HickmanFilm Details Director, Adamma EboCast Regina Hall, Sterling K. Brown, Nicole Beharie, Conphidance, and Austin CruteRunning Time. 1 hour 42 minutes rated. RNow playing in theatrical release. Honk for Jesus. Save Your Soul is a scabrous and unpleasant dissection of the dark side of prosperity theology. The more real it gets, the less appealing the narrative becomes. In making her feature debut, writer/director Adamma Ebo gets directly to the problematic center of the prosperity gospel movement with which Atlantans are all too familiar. By positioning her protagonist Lee-Curtis Childs, a fantastically raw Sterling K. Brown, as an ego-driven parody of College Park's Creflo dollar, Ebo examines the implosion of the controversial theology from the inside. The problem is that the movie never finds the right tone to carry its cautionary message. We meet Lee-Curtis and his supportive wife Trinitie, the always wonderful Regina Hall, after a scandal has sapped their massively successful megachurch of its congregation. News reports show that Lee-Curtis has been accused of some depraved wrongdoing. The details of the scandal are left to our imagination, but it appears to be sexual in nature. A documentary crew led by an unseen, award-winning documentarian has access to Lee-Curtis and Trinitie as they attempt to recover from the growing disaster. Of course, the twosome tries to steer the cinema-verité filmmakers and paint a sympathetic picture. Lee-Curtis spouts nonsense, and Trinitie, always faithfully by his side, painfully copes with his fall.